Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you where to find the frequently asked questions on the Manga app application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the My Page section at the bottom of the screen and tap to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find the help section, the frequently asked questions option. And here you can find different questions about the application, mangas, chapters, account, and other things. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.